Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set watch lists for spend categories in Simplifi Quicken. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in Simplifi Quicken, you can simply create a watch list for a spending category through the watch list menu. This allows you to monitor your spending in specific areas and optionally set a monthly target. You can simply set up a category watch list by navigating to the watch list section, creating a new watch list. You can simply choose category from the options and name and select the categories. You can give your category or watch list a name and select the drop down menu bar. You can also set a target, which is completely optional. And you can simply finalize. Click or tap create to finish the setup, and once created, the watch list style will appear on your dashboard, displaying your current spending for the month, a spending projection, and a progress towards any target you set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.